Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to plants and natural health. Today, we are going to explore the numerous health benefits of cashew nuts. These kidney-shaped nuts, originally from Brazil, are not only delicious to snack on but also offer a wide range of nutritional properties that can be beneficial for our overall well-being. We will discover the health benefits of cashew nuts and explore various ways to use them to enjoy their exceptional properties. Cashew nuts are an excellent source of essential nutrients for the human body. They are high in plant-based proteins, heart-healthy unsaturated fats, dietary fiber, vitamins, especially B vitamins and vitamin E, and minerals, such as magnesium, zinc, and copper. Regular consumption of cashew nuts can support our overall health. Cashew nuts have demonstrated positive effects on cardiovascular health. The unsaturated fats in cashews help reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Additionally, the presence of magnesium in cashews contributes to regulating blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Cashew nuts are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and zinc, which help strengthen the immune system by protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of cashew nuts can help support our resistance to infections and diseases. The presence of copper in cashew nuts plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, contributing to maintaining healthy, firm, and elastic skin. The antioxidants in cashew nuts also help prevent skin damage caused by free radicals. Cashew nuts can be used in various ways in the kitchen. You can enjoy them raw as a nutritious snack, add them to your salads, incorporate them into your cooked dishes, or blend them into cashew butter to use as a spread or ingredient in your recipes. How to use cashew nuts. Snack. Simply enjoy raw cashew nuts as a nutritious and delicious snack between meals. Cashew butter. Blend raw cashew nuts until creamy to make your own cashew butter, which you can use as a spread on toast, in smoothies, or in your cooked dishes. In cooked dishes, you can add cashew nuts to stir-fries, curries, salads, soups, or vegetable dishes to add a crunchy texture and delightful flavor. Cashew nuts are truly nutritional gems, offering numerous health benefits. With their cardiovascular support, immune system enhancement, and contribution to healthy skin, cashew nuts deserve a place in our daily diet. Whether enjoyed as a snack, an ingredient in recipes, or as cashew butter, they are versatile and delicious. So, don't hesitate to include cashew nuts in your diet and experience the remarkable benefits they offer for your overall well-being. Join us on our YouTube channel for more insights on plants and their health benefits. See you soon.